Your knees are one of the most important joints in your body. Whether you're walking, running, squatting, or even just standing, your knees are working to support your weight and keep you moving. Unfortunately, they're also among the most vulnerable joints, susceptible to wear and tear, injury, and degeneration, especially as we age or engage in high-impact activities. But here's the good news. There are specific, proven ways to strengthen your knees, protect your cartilage, and support the health of your ligaments. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the top methods to keep your knees healthy, resilient, and pain-free, naturally and effectively. These tips are backed by science, fitness experts, and real-life results. So, whether you're recovering from an injury, managing arthritis, or simply looking to maintain peak physical condition, this guide is for you. Your knee health doesn't have to decline over time. With the right knowledge and commitment, you can feel stronger than ever. You'll also discover that many of these methods benefit your overall health, posture, and athletic performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find this information helpful. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you and others. Let's get started. 1. Strengthen the muscles around your knees. One of the best ways to support your knees is by building strength in the muscles that surround and stabilize the joint. This includes your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. When these muscles are strong, they absorb more of the impact and stress that would otherwise go directly to your knees. The stronger and more balanced your muscles are, the more efficiently your body moves, reducing risk of injury. In addition, strong muscles contribute to better joint alignment, which is critical for avoiding strain on ligaments and cartilage. Recommended exercises. 1. Squats, with proper form. Engage your glutes and quads while keeping knees aligned with toes. 2. Lunges. Target multiple leg muscles and help improve balance. 3. Step-ups. Mimic real-life movement while strengthening knees and improving joint coordination. 4. Leg presses. Controlled motion to target quadriceps and hamstrings. 5. Hamstring curls and extensions. Great for isolating the posterior and anterior muscle chains. These exercises not only help with knee health but also enhance your athletic performance. Building symmetrical leg strength ensures equal loading through both knees, which helps prevent imbalances and long-term injury. Adding resistance bands or weights can increase the intensity as you progress. Don't rush the movements. Slow, controlled reps are often more effective and safer. If you're just starting, consider consulting a physiotherapist or trainer to ensure proper technique. Make sure to warm up before exercising and use proper form to avoid strain. Start with body weight exercises and gradually increase resistance as your strength improves. 2. Improve joint mobility and flexibility. Strong muscles alone aren't enough. Your knees also need to move freely and correctly. Limited mobility and flexibility can place abnormal stress on your cartilage and ligaments, leading to discomfort and injury over time. Flexible joints allow your muscles to function through a full range of motion, which supports balanced movement. It also reduces compensatory movements in other joints, which could otherwise create additional problems. Key practices to improve mobility. Dynamic stretching before workouts, leg swings, hip circles, walking lunges. Static stretching after workouts, hamstring stretches, quad stretches, calf stretches. Foam rolling, release tight muscles and improve blood flow. Yoga and Pilates, these practices focus on mindful movement and balanced flexibility. Ankle and hip mobility drills, these indirectly influence knee health by supporting functional movement patterns. Focusing on mobility doesn't just prevent injury, it enhances athletic performance by allowing more fluid, efficient motion. Mobility training can be done in as little as 10 minutes a day and still deliver powerful benefits. Incorporating breathwork during stretching can also help relax muscles and improve outcomes. Regular assessment of your joint mobility can help identify areas of restriction before they lead to injury. Remember, flexibility and mobility aren't about being able to do the splits, they're about moving with control, comfort, and confidence. Mobility work should be done consistently, ideally daily or after physical activity, to maintain a healthy range of motion in your knees and surrounding joints. 3. Nourish your joints with the right nutrition. What you eat has a profound effect on your joints, especially cartilage and ligaments, which rely on specific nutrients to stay strong and resilient. Just like muscles need protein, your connective tissues have their own nutritional requirements. Eating a joint-friendly diet can also reduce inflammation, promote recovery, and improve long-term joint function. Nutrients don't just help you maintain tissue, they help repair damage and promote regeneration. Hydration is equally important because cartilage is largely composed of water, and staying hydrated keeps it elastic and functional. Top nutrients for knee health. 1. Collagen, the main structural protein in cartilage and ligaments. Supplementing with collagen peptides has been shown to support joint health. 2. Vitamin C, essential for collagen production and antioxidant protection. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, flaxseed, and chia, they reduce inflammation and support joint lubrication. 4. Glucosamine and chondroitin, natural compounds found in cartilage that may help reduce joint pain and improve function. 5. Calcium and vitamin D, crucial for bone health, which supports joint stability. 6. Magnesium and zinc, support tissue repair and enzymatic activity in joint metabolism. 7. Antioxidants, like curcumin, found in turmeric, fight oxidative stress that can degrade joint tissues. By prioritizing these nutrients, you help your body maintain the strength and resilience of your knees. Foods like citrus fruits, green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, and oily fish should become staples in your meal plan. If you experience chronic joint pain, consult a nutritionist for personalized guidance and supplementation. A healthy diet also supports a strong immune system, which helps manage systemic inflammation. Remember, joint health begins in the kitchen just as much as the gym. Tips: eat a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Include bone broth, leafy greens, colorful fruits, and healthy fats. Consider supplements if you're not getting enough of these nutrients from your diet. 4. Reduce inflammation and stress on the knees. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to joint pain and degeneration. Reducing inflammation can help preserve the health of your cartilage and ligaments. Left unmanaged, inflammation can slowly erode joint tissues and cause ongoing discomfort. Many people don't realize that small daily habits can either fuel or fight inflammation. Understanding these triggers allows you to take control and protect your knees for the long run. Ways to reduce inflammation: cold therapy, cryotherapy, apply ice packs after intense activity to reduce swelling. Heat therapy, use heating pads or warm baths to improve circulation and soothe stiff joints. Anti-inflammatory diet, avoid processed foods, excess sugar, and trans fats. Focus on whole foods, spices like turmeric and ginger, and plenty of fiber. Maintain a healthy weight. Every extra pound adds stress to your knees. Losing even 5 to 10% of your body weight can make a big difference. Stay active. Movement increases synovial fluid production, which keeps joints lubricated. Combining cold and heat therapy can offer well-rounded relief depending on your needs. Keeping stress levels low is also important, as stress hormones like cortisol can contribute to inflammation. Gentle stretching and low-impact activities like swimming or cycling help keep joints fluid without excessive strain. Sleeping well and staying hydrated further support recovery and joint comfort. Inflammation is a natural response, but when it's chronic, it becomes harmful. 5. Practice smart movement and injury prevention techniques. Protecting your knees isn't just about building strength, it's also about moving smart. Poor biomechanics and sudden movements can cause serious ligament injuries like ACL tears or meniscus damage. Most knee injuries happen not because of lack of strength, but because of poor movement patterns or accidents that could have been prevented. Taking time to learn correct form for exercises and daily activities reduces your risk dramatically. Prevention is always easier, less painful, and less expensive than treatment. How to move smarter. 1. Use proper form in all physical activities, from workouts to daily movements like bending or lifting. 2. Avoid sudden direction changes without stabilization. 3. Wear appropriate footwear with good arch support and cushioning. 4. Don't overtrain. Give your joints time to recover. Alternate high impact with low impact activities like swimming or cycling. 5. Use knee support gear if needed, especially during intense physical activities or sports. 6. Balance and proprioception training. Exercises like single leg stands, Bosu ball drills, or agility work can improve joint awareness and prevent falls. Small habits like bending from the hips instead of the knees, or using both legs to rise from a seated position, can make a huge difference. Functional training helps teach your body to move in ways that protect rather than stress the joints. Regular movement screenings or working with a coach can help identify and fix any risky patterns. Listening to your body is key. Pain is a signal that something needs adjustment. Prevention starts with awareness and intention. Bonus tips: daily habits to maintain healthy knees. Stay hydrated to keep joint tissues lubricated. Avoid sitting for long periods, take breaks and stretch. Elevate your legs occasionally to promote circulation. Don't ignore pain. Address it early with rest, therapy, or medical support. Get regular checkups if you have chronic knee issues. Consistency in small daily habits adds up to major improvements over time. Making your workspace more ergonomic, adjusting how you sit or sleep, and paying attention to posture can all support long-term joint health. Light walking breaks during work hours can keep your knees active without stressing them. Daily affirmations and mindset shifts also contribute to motivation and discipline in caring for your joints. Your knees support you, so show them some love every day. Conclusion: your knees work hard for you every day. It's time to return the favor. By incorporating these 5 strategies into your routine, you can build stronger muscles, nourish your cartilage, and protect your ligaments for the long haul. Whether you're young and active or looking to regain strength later in life, the journey to healthy knees starts with small, consistent steps. Think of it as a lifelong investment in mobility, independence, and vitality. The more you prioritize joint care now, the more freedom you'll enjoy later. Remember, strengthen your muscles, improve flexibility, eat for joint health, reduce inflammation, move smart and prevent injury. Your knees are worth it. Treat them with care, and they'll support you for a lifetime. Empower yourself with knowledge and action, and you'll be amazed at how much better your body feels and performs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health, mobility, and wellness. Stay strong, stay flexible, and take care of your knees. They carry you through life.